These children face a challenging health future compared to the average Canadian child. Their life expectancy is almost a decade less. They run 3 times the risk of developing diabetes and 6 times the risk of contracting HIV/AIDS.
That has to turn around, and it is our mandate to do what we can to ensure that takes place.
The future for these children is looking brighter thanks to a powerful internet tool, At Your Side Colleague. At Your Side Colleague has been developed by St. Elizabeth Healthcare, a charitable not-for-profit organization. St. Elizabeth is committed to help increase access to better care in Aboriginal communities across Canada.
When we first developed the program over 10 years ago, it was largely in response to the challenges of educating a highly mobile workforce. And at the same time, we were working with First Nations in order to come up with some innovative solutions to help improve care at the local level. And there was tremendous interest from the First Nations group who saw the potential of this approach.
Remote communities in the North face many health challenges. Community members must travel great distances to obtain complex care. Few doctors and nurses actually live within the community, and those who do only stay for an average of 18 months.
She was very good, and it was a very tough time of your life. I know that. You had a hard time.
In northern environments, we're not only geographically isolated, but there's been a profound sense of isolation from our colleagues because of remoteness.
It's stressful because being the lone provider, people's lives depend on your decision.
At Your Side Colleague gives local healthcare workers the ability to consult with peers and experts from all over the country. It means these providers don't have to leave their community to get additional training. But most of all, it means that health issues can be flagged before they become critical and require drastic measures.
When you have At Your Side, you can contact anybody, any of your fellow workers anywhere. You can contact nurses there, doctors there, to feedback on what you need.
This is bringing the best of Canadian healthcare to the place where it's needed most. This is using technology to deliver compassion.
Today, At Your Side Colleague is being offered to over 200 First Nations communities and organizations across Canada. What's great is we've been able to do this with no cost to those communities, and that's been through St. Elizabeth's investments and also our fundraising initiatives. The vision of St. Elizabeth Healthcare is to honor the human face of healthcare. With our work with First Nations, we know that there are tremendous knowledge and skills in those communities, and that by supporting the people in even a small way, we're able to see tremendous benefit. One of the fundamental beliefs that we have in leadership is that in order to recognize your greatest potential, you have to do that in partnership and work together. And additionally, to really recognize the potential of people, you have to make sure that they are both involved and empowered in the approach that you provide.